I want to share 3 ways to fold a fitted sheet with you today. Let's go. If you're new here, my name is Jillian, and I like to share ways you can simplify your home so you can enjoy a more calm and clutter-free environment. The fitted sheet. It has caused many people frustration and confusion as to how to fold it nicely like its partner, the flat sheet, which is very easy and straightforward. I think it really depends on the type of personality you have that will decide how you feel about the fitted sheet. Regardless of how you feel, my take is if I can make a regular household chore super simple and easy to do, then I'm all for it. So let's take a look at 3 different ways you can fold a fitted bed sheet. Number 1, for those of you that don't care about having perfectly straight lines, then you might appreciate just being able to get your bed sheet from the dryer and rolling it up into a nice ball. No fuss, no muss. It's all good. It gets the job done. Number 2, for those of you that appreciate a nicely folded fitted sheet, then you're going to find all 4 corners of your sheet. Tuck 2 of the corners into the opposite side of the other corners. Your sheet is now folded in half, and you're now left with 2 corners. Take one of those corners and fold it under the other corner. So now all of the corners are nicely under one. Fold in half again to make a rectangle, and then fold across until it's at the size you want. You're done, and it looks great. Now for number 3. And this is my favorite way of dealing with fitted sheets. When my laundry is done, I will remove it from the dryer and I will walk it right up to my bedroom and put it directly on my bed. This step is a little sneaky as it requires no folding at all. It's best to do right away when your laundry is nice and warm to avoid wrinkles, but sometimes you don't have that luxury, so you put your bed sheets on your bed even if there might be some wrinkles, and that's totally fine. So there you have it, 3 different ways you can fold your fitted sheet. Now, to keep things super simple in our household, we don't have multiple sets of bedding for each bed, less to store, and it just makes things super easy to wash right away and then put right back on your bed when it's done. Now, this works for our family, and like everything, you've got to do what works for you and your family. I don't believe there is one right way of doing something. Just find what works for you and keep doing it. All right, I would love to hear which is your preferred way to fold a fitted sheet. Number 1, the roll and bundle. Number 2, the nice proper fold. Or number 3, putting it directly back on your bed. Maybe you even have another option to throw in there as well. If so, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to be notified when I release a new video each week. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.